When you search for the best submersible well pump, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, AquaStrong Sump Pump. The AquaStrong Sump Pump really caught my eye. Priced at just $59.39, this pump is labeled a bestseller, and I can see why. If you want a reliable and portable option for draining water quickly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This submersible pump boasts a powerful 1 HP motor, allowing it to drain 4,500 gallons per hour at a height of up to 30 feet. This means you can tackle flooded basements or hot tubs without breaking a sweat. Plus, it comes with a 10-foot power cord, making it convenient to set up wherever you need it. With over 3,200 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, people clearly trust it for their water removal needs. Now, some users did mention that the pump can sometimes struggle with larger debris. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it for clean water or smaller solids, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. Just be cautious about what you're pumping. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly, portable pump for small to medium jobs. Skip this one if you're looking for something to handle heavy-duty flooding, but for most typical uses, it offers great value. Product number 2, Vever Deep Well Pump 1 HP. Next up is the Vever Deep Well Submersible Pump. At $130.90, it strikes a good balance between performance and price. If you need something reliable for deeper water sources, this one deserves your attention. What's impressive about this pump is its ability to move 37 gallons per minute and lift water from 207 feet deep, thanks to its stainless steel construction. This means you can easily access water even from deep wells, making your life much easier, especially in rural areas. Plus, the IP68 waterproof rating ensures it can withstand being submerged for long periods without rusting or corroding. With around 302 reviews and a 4.1-star rating, it's clear that many find it effective. However, there are a few reports of the motor overheating if not used properly. Now, here's the thing. As long as you monitor the water levels and follow the instructions, it's unlikely to be a problem. Just make sure you have adequate water supply when using it. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable pump for deep wells or larger irrigation needs. Skip it if you're only looking for something for shallow water, as it might be overkill for that. Product number 3, 2-horse wire splice kit. Now, let's switch gears a bit with the 2-horse well pump wire splice kit. Priced at $7.98, it's a handy little addition for anyone working with submersible pumps. If you want to ensure your connections are watertight, this is worth considering. This kit includes 4 high-quality 3M dual-wall heat shrink tubes and copper connectors. What I find super useful is the clear tubing, which lets you see the splice inside, ensuring a secure connection for your pump's electrical needs. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,300 reviews, it's a go-to for many DIYers. But a couple of users shared that the tubes can be a bit tricky to use if you're not experienced. Here's the thing. If you're comfortable with some basic electrical work or have a guide, you should be just fine. It's not overly complicated, but it does require some care. This is perfect for you if you're setting up or maintaining a submersible well system and want to ensure longevity. Skip this if you're not confident in DIY electrical work, as it might be a bit daunting. Product number 4, H Hallmark Submersible Pump. Next is the H Hallmark Industries Deep Well Submersible Pump, priced at $159.97. This one is solidly built and designed for serious use. If you want a pump that can handle both industrial and home applications, this should be on your radar. This pump offers a solid 33 gallons per minute flow rate and can pump water from up to 207 feet, thanks to its 1 HP motor. The stainless steel body ensures durability, making it less likely to corrode over time, which is essential for long-term use. With a 4.2-star rating from 2,000 reviews, it's clear many users appreciate its reliability. One downside some have pointed out is that it requires a 220/230V power supply, which could be a hassle if your setup isn't compatible. But honestly, if you have the right power supply, this shouldn't deter you at all. It's a powerful option that delivers when you need it. This is perfect for you if you need a tough, dependable pump for various applications, be it agricultural or residential. Skip this if you can't provide the required voltage, as it won't work without the right setup. Product number 5, Vever Deep Well Pump 115V. Lastly, we have another great option from Vever, this time a 115V version. At $131.90, it's very similar to the previous Vever, but designed for those with different voltage needs. If you need a high-performing pump for home use, this is definitely worth a look. Like its counterpart, it offers a flow rate of 37 gallons per minute and can reach depths of up to 207 feet. The stainless steel construction ensures it won't rust even after years submerged in water. With a 4.6-star rating from 451 reviews, users are clearly happy with its performance. A few people have mentioned the need for an additional check valve for optimal performance. Here's the thing. While it's not a deal breaker, it does mean you need to invest a little more in your setup. If it's a minor extra cost for peace of mind, it's worth considering. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable pump for home irrigation or deep well usage. Skip this if you're working with a very shallow well, as there might be better options out there for that scenario. So, to wrap it up, we have the budget-friendly AquaStrong, the deep-reaching Vever options, the handy 2-horse splice kit, and the durable Hallmark pump. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all serve unique needs. Choose based on your requirements, and you can't go wrong.